Alright, so I don't have a lot of time on my camera. This is how the look turns out. I show you how to make this. The make, what to wear, and give you suggestions. I kind of just did the makeup kind of like an Instagram video where I just show you the product and then kind of just have it on. Because I don't have a lot of time or battery. I mean, space or battery on my camera. So if you want a more in-depth one, like I can do Mugman because that's pretty much the same look, just using blue instead of red. But this is how the look turns out. If you don't like it, you don't gotta watch it. I did a more feminine version because that's like the wig I have and everything. I just thought it would make more sense. And it's really up to interpretation. Don't take it seriously. It's literally Cuphead, so...
Hey, Cuphead! Yes, Mugman. What?
Kind of turns out cute though. But like, kind of good. It's like 12 a.m. The lighting is literally so ominous. Okay, this Cuphead series was literally a request because someone wanted me to test out my pumpkin makeup for the pumpkin from Cuphead, but I don't have the stuff for that yet. So now I'm just going through the Cuphead characters. This one's going to be kind of quick because I don't have that much time on my camera. I don't have that much space on my camera. And it's 10:46. So, okay, so for the outfit, black long sleeve top, red bottoms. Get as close as what you have. What I had was a skirt, and I don't have the gloves. Those would look good. And a red shoes and white socks or tights. Do you a good one. For the make, we're gonna start by wig cap because I'm not wearing my hair. Lotion her up. Normally when doing face paint, I would first shave my whole face, then put on a lotion and whatever moisturizer you have that will just blur out your whole skin texture, because face paint, you think foundation, you think matte foundation picks up your skin texture. You've never worn face paint before. So, before I put on any face paint, I'm gonna do my concealer because it's not gonna go on over the face paint. So, also if you're contouring, you do that in this step, but obviously these fellas don't really need a contour. They're really round. So this is my favorite concealer. I don't know. Doing it the wide way to make your face look wider.
Boys, you're dealing with the devil.
You didn't even savor the peelies.
And you got burnt, made a gamble. Easy to forget, but life is fragile. When I know your first instincts to scramble, but listen to me ramble for a minute. Maybe I can help you find a handle on the situation. Maybe you can travel to these other lands and battle when the devil's they've been rattled, trample ample horses in their own key. Going 30 schmoes deep, Cuphead turned into the boogeyman and no sleep. For my adversary, the alternative beware is scary. You'll lose that little Cuphead and your good is buried. I'm a man of my word, do this and I'll send you on your merry way. Only got two choices anyway, so make it. Otherwise I'll turn you into bacon. This is Satan that you're dealing with. My threats are never faking. Never faking anything I say. So do we have a deal? Oh, we do? Well, I guess I won't have to make you thrill.
Hey, Cuphead. Yes, Mugman. Why we roll the bones with Beelzebub? We can make a plan, roam around the land, do the devil's dirty work instead. Hey, Mugman. Yes, Cuphead. Why we roll the bones with Beelzebub? We can make a plan, roam around the land, do
it's all about surviving. But what if they have lightning? I'll be dying anyway, so what's the point of even hiking and doing the devil's bidding? Well, you have a valid observation. We can die or take a small vacation and take our chances against a mob of different races and different species and sizes, and see you rise as victorious. Not fighting for glory, but man, it's glorious. Who thought a couple of cups could be labeled battle warriors? Carrots or potatoes, they're all getting halos. So if you are a boss, my suggestion is you lay low. So we have a deal, I'm ready to sign on my dotted lines. I don't wanna die, I'd be giving up if I don't try. Mugman, let's go, battling demons, conquering the land, all in the name of freedom.
Hey, Cuphead!
Okay, for the straw, before doing the makeup, I painted these 2 pieces that I cut out of packaging cardboard, just really thin cardboard. And now I'm gonna tape them together like this in a tube, and then tape the bend one like that, then just tape them together. Okay, this honestly looks a lot better than I thought. And then I just slid some bobby pins on the side, and then I slid this bobby pin into that bobby pin, and I'm gonna pin it into my hair with these. Into the wig, I mean. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I went into the... Oh, we irritating. But I went into this thinking this was a huge joke and stupid, but this is actually really cute. And I low-key want to wear this to like a con. I could wear this for Sunday if I'm a con. Okay, this is not casual enough to wear on a Sunday, but it's really easy, and I might... And wait, yeah, Halloween isn't coming. But anyways, this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. You know that. Bye, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.